upma also need little more oil. I add 1 teaspoon. Yes, 2.5 teaspoon now. When you are doing the upma, how much ratio? Double of water. Any cup you can use. That cup should be water double. Double you can use. Okay? Red chili. Not too hard. Then gram dal. Okay? And urad dal. Then mustard seed. Soap should be good for grey. Our body has two kind of grey. One is positive, another is negative. This will use. Negative grey should be go out from our body. Now I'm going to add the ginger. Chopped ginger. Chopped ginger. Then I'm going to put the kadei leaves. See, that will come. What is the chili सब खराब हो जाएगा. Now I'm going to add the onion. See, keep for boiling for 10 minutes. We need to boil properly because then only onion juice is going into mix the water. Then give the sweetness. See, I keep slow. First you keep the slow. Flame should be slow. Put like that, sooji. Slowly that. Okay, 1.5. Yeah, also I have. This is half, I think so. See, no touching, see, no sticking, see, okay? Only 20 grams oil and 10 grams ghee I'm using.